Okay, picture this. It's breakfast time, and we want to eat something other than protein oats. We have a calorie deficit that we need to stick to. What is the perfect meal that we can make? I'm excited to show you guys my first ever protein French toast recipe on this channel, and this one clocks in at just around 300 calories. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka FitFoodAE, and today we're gonna be making high protein, low calorie French toast. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, let's get started with the recipe. So first thing you're gonna do is grab a shallow bowl or Tupperware, and then pour in your first ingredient, which is 1 egg. Of course, you could just crack a regular egg, but I happen to have these whole egg creations in a carton, which are way more convenient and way less messy. Not sponsored. Next, pour in some egg whites. Again, I just have these egg whites from a carton, which are way less complicated than separating the yolk from the egg white. Next, add vanilla extract. Now you're gonna add in some 0-calorie sweetener. So I use Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. This is their 0-calorie substitute for sugar. It's in a Ziploc bag because there is a hole at the bottom, so I don't want it to spill everywhere. But if you do want to purchase Lakanto, please use my discount code FIT15. Next, we're gonna add some cinnamon. And now you're gonna whisk all the ingredients together. As you can see, I'm just using a fork. Of course, you could use an actual whisk, which would be easier, but I honestly don't even know where mine is. And we wanna make this as easy as possible. So now we're gonna heat up our pan on medium heat and spray it with cooking spray. You wanna make sure not to turn up the heat too high because we don't want the French toast to burn. And you don't wanna put it too low because then it's just never gonna cook and we're just gonna be waiting there forever. So you can really use any bread for this recipe. I just use this sliced white bread from the superstore. It's 170 calories for 2 slices. So you're gonna take the first slice of bread and just give it a bath in that mixture. Just evenly soak it on both sides, but make sure to leave enough liquid for the other slice. And then put it onto the pan and cook it evenly on both sides. Should be a couple minutes on both sides, but of course you can use a spatula to check underneath to make sure it's cooked. Now you're gonna do the same for the other slice. Of course, if there's any leftover liquid, you could just pour it on top. So now that the French toast slices are done cooking, you could slice it into 4 as I did here, but that's totally optional. And now we're gonna add the toppings. You can get creative here, but of course I just decided to add maple syrup. So this is the E.D. Smith sugar-free maple syrup. It has 40 calories per 60 milliliters. And then I also added some 0-calorie powdered sugar. So I just used Lakanto. And then you could really stop there, but totally optional. I decided to sprinkle on some mini chocolate chips. And now you're done. Okay, taste test. This is so good. It tastes very light and fluffy and eggy. These toppings are perfect, but you could really put any toppings you want on them. Delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're looking for more breakfast recipes, so I'm gonna link a couple of other videos that you should watch next on the screen. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.